I'm in mergers and acquisitions.
You must be Barb.
And you must be Kevin's friend. Shall we get started?
Right now? Where's your crew?
No crew, just us.
That's so.
Don't worry, I've got it all worked out. You wait in the car while I grab the jewelry. Then I drive us out.
So you're robbing the store and you're the getaway driver? What am I doing?
I can't drive and shoot at the same time. I need you to ride shotgun.
Well, as far as plans go, I've seen worse. Let's do it. I got you covered. Let's go. You okay?
Never felt better.
Got the jewelry?
It's in the bag. Have a look for yourself.
I'll take your word for it. The cops will be on us soon. Whoa, Nellie, here they come.
Hang on.
Why don't they get out of the way?
Oh.
Can't they see I need to get through?
What's our plan, Barb?
We'll take a left up here at Taft, then another left at the library, then we'll cut across the park to Canal and Latimer.
That puts us right back where we started.
I know. We took a wrong turn at the 78, so we have to come back around.
The 78? What are you talking about?
I'm excited. I got right instead of left.
Barb, when a plan goes to hell, just improvise.
That's what I'm doing.
They must have sent the entire police department after us.
Jesus, this car is all messed up.
It belongs to my husband. He's on the city council.
Does he know about your hobby?
Oh no, that's our little secret.
Hate to say it, but the car might be a giveaway.
Don't worry, I'll deal with him soon enough.
That one had to hurt.
Please don't let them get too close.
Hang on.
Looks like we're in the clear.
Shall I drop you off somewhere?
Nah, right here's fine.